2, 3.
Boleh laju lagi ke buayan? Boleh ke?
Nanti dia tarik kak. Ini masih menggambar je nih.
Oh ya, belum.
Ayo lagi.
Oh.
Oh, fuck.
So this is our hotel. As you can see, Zoe's Paradise in the background. And my clown friends playing, I don't know, basketball or some ball. Vanessa chilling. And that is your lakeside view. It's literally there. I'm also a bit awkward doing this. I don't think my friends have seen me doing this before. It's is it recording or is the number recording? Did you try to aim me? See the number like counting down there? Is it on?
That thing is counting also.
Yep.
Hey, wait, go.
Okay, it's okay. It's counting down, right?
How
How many minutes?
18:30.
Okay, alright, great. So it's a 45-minute flight from KL. It's actually damn cheap. I didn't know that it is off peak. But yeah, there's literally no one here. But actually, we're gonna be quite grateful for today, man. The weather was spot on. Not too hot, not too rainy, right? Nobody's. Failed vlogging 101. Poor audio, pro video. Where's the focus? Let's move on to some awesome B-rolls to head on to the Parapat jetty. Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to another vlog, and today, as you saw, it is beautiful Lake Toba. Why do I say it's underrated? I don't know, I just not heard so much about it, or maybe that's just me. It is so beautiful, and it's good to know that it's not tourist filled yet. But I think it's one of those Asian destinations that more attention needs to be given to. So how did I end up at Lake Toba today? Okay, well, simply put, I was looking for a very scenic place, not too far from KL, and affordable at the same time. And as I was googling, I was like, hey, Lake Toba came about, so let's check it out. And mamma mia, was it beautiful? So that is how I got a ticket, and I got a ticket for May, and it was only like $110 return. Firstly, KL Medan to KL to Medan is only about 45 minutes by flight. It's not too far, and it is a common spot for Malaysians, especially working or studying. So from Medan, then you need to go like 4 hours by car to reach the Parapat jetty, and then a half an hour jetty to Lake Toba. It sounds a bit long, but no, it wasn't tiring at all. The views were nice, the weather was good, and the roads are good. So yep, it's not that all much of a challenge. So why should you go to Lake Toba, or why am I making you want to go to Lake Toba? If you want to tick off visiting a super volcano, yep, Lake Toba is a super volcano. I think it last erupted like 80,000 years ago, and its eruption was so massive that it created the little island in the center. And the lake is the largest volcanic lake in the world. Again, it's about half a kilometer deep. And if you want to take a swim in the volcanic lake, yeah, you can. When we were trying to swim, when my friends were trying to swim in it, they were like, is it safe? It's stagnant water, yada yada yada. But it's actually safe and it's mineral filled. So yeah, that could be one of the reasons. Secondly, if you are a photographer or a videographer and you're looking for a beautiful outdoor setup to take your clients to, whether it's a montage, photo, video, Lake Toba will awe you. Trust me, seriously, the landscapes are beautiful. Alright, and if you are an artist just looking for inspiration, you want to write, you want to draw, the peace and quiet that you get around here, it's great. Okay, when I spoke to the receptionist, she told me that even peak seasons aren't like peak, like crazy peak, so it's still bearable. Okay, now how are the people? Most of them are Batak. They're very nice people. Not all of them are Muslim, so to my Muslim friends looking for halal food may be a bit difficult. You may want to go a different way around that. Accommodation, a lot of the accommodations are lakeside, and they are older a bit because it's still in the development phase. So the place that I stayed in, Zoe's Paradise, I have to say something about the place because I really like their green element to how they have developed their hotel. So the owner of Zoe's place, basically Zoe's parents, the father is a local and the mom is from Switzerland. So when I was speaking to the mom, I was like, whoa, haven't you come a long way now? Like, all the way from Switzerland, don't you miss home and stuff like that? And this was her answer. She was like, if you're going to look at the view there during the rainy seasons, there's like a stream of water will flow through, and the green terrains and the mountainous views, it actually reminds me of home. And I was like, what? Really? Did you just say the geography in Lake Toba and the views in Lake Toba makes you think of home? That's not me. That was from a Swiss lady herself. And if you were to look at other vloggers, they would also tell you that the terrains found in Lake Toba aren't really the same as you would get in the rest of Indonesia. So yep, go check it out. It's really, really beautiful. Okay. And lastly, if you are an avid camper and you're looking for a really beautiful site, you see, this place is still in the developing stage, right? So it's not really government regulated. You got to pay to this park site or that park site. It's not like that. Literally every inch is free to your use. But please, it's just my humble request so that we are responsible travelers. Let's not make a mess on the streets because they're good. And even on the nature part, it's like not like people are poaching camps everywhere and putting their litter everywhere. No, they are responsible campers. And if you want to go for it, you want to wake up to a beautiful sunrise, definitely bring your camping gear and go there. Right, so, and who is it for? Families, couples, friends. Yep, it would be great. Okay, so to my fellow Malaysians, if you're really looking for a peace and quiet weekend getaway, please put Lake Toba on your list. I have compiled cinematic footage of what I think was the beautiful bits. I really hope you enjoy it. Oh yes, I forgot. Transport around the lake. You can rent scooters. I'm not too sure about cars, but since there were 5 of us, I thought, hey, let's just get someone who is a local and could guide us along the way. So I came across tour guide Medan from a couple of recommendations. And basically, there are a bunch of cousins doing this operation, providing transportation as well as a mini guide service at a very, very affordable cost. I think per person was about 370 ringgit for the 4 days that we spent from them. And the guide with us was very, very accommodating, and plus it was the fasting month, so thank you so much for hiking with us, walking with us. There were lots of walking stuff, right? So he was very kind of him. Okay, but I'm not too sure if they are like a proper legit licensed company, so you may want to check on it. But did I face any safety issues? No, everything was good. So the Sipiso Piso and the Kolam Abadi Falls, which is another beautiful place that they brought us to, I'm going to put that on 2 separate vlogs because it's worth the separate vlogs. So yeah, peace out. I will slow-mo it later. You don't need to slow-mo for me now.
What is badak?
Badak is rhinoceros.
Hey, stop time-lapsing already.
Your muscle favorite.
Muscle because the thing is heavy, okay?
I have no idea what this is.
I wonder if they made
Like
this
the
or
19.
these are actual.
It's not a suitcase, I think.
This they found.
This lake is like 1 kilometer deep, and these are absolutely little kids just jumping off and dragging off the boat. People hang off a Indian bus, but it's the first time I've seen people hang off a ferry, public ferry.
Alright, I'm so sorry.
What's it called? Right. Guys, we're booking the Sima Jarunjo. I don't know who regulates all this, but it doesn't look like the most safe thing under the sun. And it's about 5,000 rupees each stuff that you want to take a picture of. Rupiah, sorry. If you want to get on this, I think it comes with a view and some cool pictures with some funny bicycles and all that, but safety first. Alright, is it already gotten now?
Yeah, it looks like that.
Oh fuck!
Oh my god!
Whoa!
Oh my god, Nadish, be careful!
I'm in harness.
Oh,
What? This
gelap.
is fucking scary.